Hello friends, welcome to Dream to Learn English. Everybody has a dream to have a YouTube channel these days because during this lockdown, a lot of people have initiated or a lot of people have worked on YouTube channel. Likewise, I did a year back. And you know what? While I was doing all this YouTube channel preparation and creating my YouTube channel, so I did a lot of mistakes. And out of which I have identified five biggest mistake which I did in my channel creation or in my channel videos when I used to upload it. So trust me, what I'm going to tell you today in this video is I'll cover all those 5 mistakes which I did in my channel, because of which I was delayed in order to achieve 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours watch time. So I'm going to cover all those tips and all those mistakes which I did, which will probably help you to get over. So let's watch this video till the end. So what are those 5 mistakes? Before I go ahead and tell you, I would like to thank you so much, each one of you, those who've been the part of this journey of YouTube channel and the part of this learning English channel, wherein you have supported me, you have given your support, love, affection and your contribution in the part of this journey. So I would like to thank you so much for all the support and affection. That means great to me, and I would love to thank you from bottom of my heart. So it's a great pleasure being with all of you and meeting with you. So thank you so much once again. And before I proceed further, it is a time to repay what all I have learned, what all I have got from you. So I know many of you have a YouTube channel, those who are watching this video. So I would like to give my gratitude back by sharing all those learnings which I've learned during my journey of this YouTube channel. So therefore I'm uploading this video on this Dream to Learn English channel, so that it might help those of you who are already running a YouTube channel. So let's get started about those 5 mistakes which all you shouldn't be doing in case if you are running a YouTube channel. So let's understand one by one. So watch this video till the end, because that is how I'm going to cover all those with illustrations and with examples. I'm going to explain it. So let's start with the first one, very first one, and that is about thumbnail. Trust me guys, this is really important to create one dynamic and complete information thumbnail. In case if you are just putting your picture or one liner of something, no, it's not going to work, because people will not get attracted. Because whatever topic you are going to select, likewise I used to do, there are thousands people are already creating those topics for. So trust me, if you want to get the viewers attracted, you need to have a very beautiful and informative thumbnail along with your picture. I mean, it has to be a digital picture. You shouldn't be trying any random picture which I used to upload actually. So that's not, and I've also illustrated some of my thumbnails right here which I used to do as an error, which shouldn't be doing it. So that's something which you can work on. So that's first, thumbnail. Second, let's understand about the tags. There are 2 types of tags. One, hashtag, and second, tags. And why both of them are really important, let's understand. So the first one is about tags. Tags are what are the tags? Whatever you apply, whatever you search on the YouTube or on Google or on Instagram or on any of your social media sites, those are called the YouTube, or you can call them as a tags. So when you write down anything in Google as a search, that this is a kind of a thing which you're looking for, so that's the way you search it and you find out the relevant videos, right? So in case if you do not put the correct tags in your videos, so trust me, it's not going to go up in the YouTube. So you need to put the relevant tags as per your video. One. Second, likewise we have a hashtag. Hashtag works worldwide in all the apps. So if you have the correct hashtags, your hashtags will get uplifted and your video will. Third one is about the consistency. Consistency is really important, because when it comes to uploading the videos, if you don't upload videos on the regular interval, let's say if you want a video to be uploaded on weekly basis, it's fair enough. You can set a priority, you can set your work accordingly, and you keep uploading every video after a week. So that way it's going to impact two things. One, your subscriber will be aware that you will be uploading all your videos on weekly basis. So every week at certain point of time, they will find your videos. One. Second, likewise, YouTube will also understand, or YouTube algorithm will also understand that you will upload a video every week on this day and at this particular time. So likewise, this consistency will put your videos up on the search engine optimization, and you will get your videos in the suggestions for all the people. So that's a third thing, very important. Fourth is about the description. So whenever you upload a video, you need to put certain, I would say a summary or a instruction, probably a bit of about your video, what are you going to cover in this video, in the description, so that people are aware, or YouTube is aware that what is there in the video. So in case if somebody is searching, so that in case if that description matches with the search which people have searched on the Google, so they will see, or they'll be able to see your video. So that's really important. Now let's look at the fifth one. That's really important, about the quality of work which you do, not the quantity of work. That is something which I was again doing something wrong. I was uploading the videos not following the pattern that how ideally or what kind of a content people are actually willing to. I was uploading anything and everything on the videos, maybe a live classes, maybe anything where I've visited on. So trust me, that's not the way it has to be. It has to follow a certain pattern. It has to follow quality of the work which you do, not the quantity of the work. So you need to focus on this fifth one, which is really important, about the quality. So guys, with this I would like to say thank you so much. And as I've already told you, these are the 5 points. Let me give you a quick recap about all those 5. So the first one is about the thumbnail. Second is about your hashtag and tags. Third one is about consistency. Fourth one is about your description, and fifth one is about your quality of the videos, not the quantity. So that's all. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video or if you find this video helpful, please give me a big thumbs up and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.